shoulder exercises. So we need to stretch and strengthen the shoulders in all directions. First, we're going to bring the arm across the body, grabbing a hold of the bony elbow. Bring the shoulder down close to the body and the arm across. We're going to stretch across the body for 20 seconds. Then we're going to push back in the opposite direction. I'm going to push harder to exaggerate. We're going to push back in the opposite direction for 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then continue stretching across the body for 20 seconds, keeping the chest up, the shoulders back, and the arm close to the body. We're going to push back again in the opposite direction, pushing the elbow into our fingers for 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And stretch the arm further across the body, bringing the shoulder down, the chest up, and the arm close to the body. Want to get a good stretch across this part of the arm and across the back of the shoulder. 20 seconds. Then we're going to relax that, and we're going to stretch the opposing muscle group, the chest muscles. For that, you can use any kind of random object, a tree, a doorway. We're going to bring the elbow up to approximately 90 degrees or maybe a little bit lower. And we're going to step through the doorway or past the object in order to get a good stretch across the chest. Again, we're stretching for 20 seconds. And then we're going to push with our arm into the object for 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then fall a little bit more ahead of where the arm is resting for another 20 seconds, stretching through the chest, making sure to have a comfortable chest and there's no pinching in the shoulder joint for 20 seconds. And again, we're going to push our arm into the object, contracting the chest muscles for 5 seconds. And then we're going to allow the stretch to go deeper, again for 20 seconds. And then we're done with chest stretching. We're going to move on to stretching the underside of the arm. So we're going to bring the arm up to wherever it comfortably goes, keeping the elbow close to the head, stretching the elbow up and then back to wherever it comfortably goes. When we find the comfortable limit, feeling a stretch on the underside of the arm, we're going to hold for 20 seconds. Then we're going to push the elbow into the hand for 5 seconds and pull down a little bit on the arm, contracting all the muscles that we were just stretching for 5 seconds. Then again, we're going to stretch for 20 seconds, first lifting the elbow up high and then bringing it back, stretching the underside of the arm for 20 seconds. And then again, we're going to contract the muscles we were just stretching by pressing the elbow into the hand and drawing slightly down into the body for 5 seconds. And then we're doing our third stretch, elbow up and then arm back, 20 seconds. Now we're going to want to stretch the front of the shoulder. The easiest way to do that is to clasp the hands behind the back with a slight bend in the elbows, and we're going to bring the arms up and away from the body. We can also take a gentle forward bend if it's available and allow the arms to fall up overhead. Again, the focus is stretching the front side of the shoulders. 20 seconds. And then for this one, to contract the opposing muscle group, what we're going to do is stretch with our hands away from our body for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. and then allow the arms to fall further to their comfortable limit, looking for the stretch on the front side of the shoulders for 20 seconds. Then again, we're going to reach the hands away from the body for 5 seconds. And then allow the arms to fall a little bit further if it's available. Again, looking for the stretch on the front side of the shoulders. 20 seconds. That concludes the stretches. Now we need to strengthen each of those muscles that we just stretched. So first we're going to, we initially stretched across the body, so we can strengthen that muscle group back here by pulling a light strap connected to a door or whatever object, and we're going to do 10 to 12 reps. 2, 3, try to squeeze the muscle for a couple seconds at the end range. 4, squeeze the muscles, coming back in a controlled way. 5, squeeze the muscles on the back of the shoulder, coming back slow and controlled. 6, back slow and controlled. 7, back slow. 8, back. 9, back. 10. We're going to move on to doing the chest, the opposing muscle group to that, by just walking to the opposite side of the object. We're going to bring it across the body, contracting the chest muscles. 1, 2, 3, squeeze. 4, squeeze. 5, squeeze. 6, 7, keep the shoulder down. 8, 9, and 10. I'm going to look for a position we can get into to strengthen the back side of the arm, the triceps. We're going to stretch the cord up, strengthening the muscle that we just stretched previously. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then our last one is strengthening the front of the shoulder. And for that one, we're going to get in front and we're going to lift for 1, 2, 3. The cord should be positioned a little bit lower, so I'm going to hold my rope down back here with this hand in order to stretch more of an upward angle. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to add one extra one, and that's going to be external shoulder rotation. So we're going to have the elbow close to the body, the elbow at 90 degrees. This should be positioned lower preferably. And we're going to rotate the arm out. 1, 2, elbow close to the body. 3, the arm is rotating out. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that concludes the shoulder stretches and strengthening exercises, which are helpful for most shoulder injuries. Thank you.